How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 Do Not Disturb keeps turning on. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration, and then scroll down and click on do not disturb. Now here you can turn off your schedule do not disturb. If you turn on your schedule do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your schedule do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and click on reset. Now click on reset all settings, and here you can reset all the settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.